Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can play Fortnite at school. Even if your school has blocked playing Fortnite at school, I will show you how you can play it with proof. And by the way, this is not my gameplay. I do not own it. In fact, I don't even play Fortnite on PC. I suck totally, to be honest with you. But yeah, I just want to make this tutorial for you guys because I do know there are a lot of people who do go to school and you guys want to play Fortnite, but you can't even play a game during lunch because your school has blocked it, which I think really sucks. But anyways, yeah, let's get started. I'll put a little timestamp on the video so you guys can skip directly onto the tutorial. But if you guys want to keep watching, I'll show you the difference with and without this method that I do and prove to you guys that after using this software, Fortnite will work at school and will bypass the block system. But yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so basically, as you can see on the top right corner, you can see my actual screen, and there's the screen recording as well. And I'm just showing you guys that I am at the school and I'm using the school Wi-Fi. In fact, I'm inside the robotics room right now. So let me go ahead and just press start on Fortnite launcher, and there you can see me from the reflection actually. So this is actually the first time that I'm opening up Fortnite on this computer, so it is taking a little bit of a while to configure itself, but I am fast forwarding it as much as I can. Okay, as you can see, that is the robotics room. Just again for more proof that I'm at the school. There you go, you guys can see that the Fortnite logo just popped up and we are on full screen. And if you look at the loading animation, you can see that I have fast forwarded the video because it's taking way too long for the loading screen. And we are finishing the settings, and there you go, we're on the screen. And let me just load up a game. As you can see, I'm still keeping the whole footage a little bit fast because it's taking too long if I were to keep it on normal speed. And basically by now you kind of notice that the loading screen is infinite, and I go on to multitasking mode and I come back to Fortnite, and look what happens. Boom, your connection to the host has been lost. So basically they're saying that the connection is not letting it connect to the game. In simple form, that is what they're saying, and it's just not letting it go through. So that means that your school has blocked it, and in this case my school has blocked it. And from here, the screen recorder actually went a little bit foo-foo because I just switched back from a game recording to the normal Windows recording, so it's a little bit crazy right now. It's just messing up, I don't know why. So I'm gonna keep the normal recording on for you guys. So what I basically did was I opened up Hotspot Shield. So this is a VPN, which is the only VPN that bypasses school blocks and lets you play Fortnite. The free version lets you get like 1 GB bandwidth daily, and it resets each day. And I actually have the elite version, so I have unlimited, but you can just use the free one and it will still work. It's just that it will only let you use 1 GB per day. And as you can see, I'm proving that I'm on the same Wi-Fi still. And the difference is that this time I'm connected onto the VPN, and as you can see, I'm on a different IP address from United States. By the way, I am not from United States, I live in Canada. So this time I relaunched the game straight from the same launch that I did before, and let's see what happens. Okay, so basically the video is still fast forwarded because I want to save as much time as I can for you guys. And now it is loading, and this time it is loading with the VPN running. So I'm going to show you that it will now successfully join us into a game. And yes, the loading is still going on, and boom, we are in. Let me look for a match really quick. Okay, and it should be done. Waiting for server. Okay, so we are on the loading screen, and this is where it didn't go through last time. And over here, I'm just quickly checking if my screen recorder is going to capture the gaming screen or the game screen. That's why I just went there, but just to make sure, because I didn't think it would record before until I pressed that option. But yeah, so I turned off my phone camera, and the video is still being fast forwarded. As you can see, the frame rates aren't in the best quality right now because of the screen recorder, and it's not a game recorder. But yeah, so this basically proves that the VPN works and this method works, so you guys can go ahead and try and just play whenever you want. I mean, don't play during class time, just play during lunch, have fun and all. But yeah, this pretty much works for almost any game, and Fortnite is pretty popular, so I decided to make this video for you guys. I hope you guys can subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next one. If you want, just keep watching and watch me die just really badly. And yeah, peace guys.